Okay, so we've got Python installed, we've got Git Bash installed. Now we want to start to install MySQL. And this could be a little tricky for people because I don't really know why. It's open sourced and a little glitchy sometimes. So it may take a little bit of doing to get this installed properly. So we need two things here. We need MySQL, the database software, the server, and we also need something called the MySQL Workbench. And the Workbench is sort of a GUI, a graphical user interface that lets us access our MySQL databases, add information, add data, remove data, do all kinds of cool stuff. Now, we're going to be doing most of our stuff in this course with Python. So we're going to be writing Python code to do this, but it's still nice to have the Workbench to check and see that things are correct. And it's just a cool little tool to have. So we'll download and install both of those. You can install them separately or you can install them together. We're going to go ahead and download them and install them together in this video. So go to mysql.com. You can search for MySQL at Google or just go to mysql.com and click the downloads link here at the top. And you see there's all kinds of different options of what you want to download. So you see the ones at the top are all commercial. You have to pay for them. So the MySQL Cloud Service, commercial, Enterprise Edition, commercial, Cluster, commercial. Down here at the bottom is the MySQL Community Edition, and that's what we want. GPL is open source licensed. So we click this community GPL download link. Okay, so now we get this MySQL Community Server link. Down here is the Workbench, but we don't need to install it separately. It'll install with the version we're going to download in just a second. There's all kinds of things here, connectors, repositories. We don't really need any of those things. We're going to get everything we need bundled together in one download. So go ahead and click this MySQL Community Server link. And scroll down here and then click on your operating system. It's probably already selected. Mine is, it says Microsoft Windows. And then come down here and we want this MySQL installer for Windows. And it has everything we want all in one package, you see. So we can go ahead and click this. Otherwise, you're going to have to download a zipped archive and it's all kinds of hassle and we don't want to deal with any of that. So I'm going to click go to the download page. Now this is the download MySQL installer download page. And again, we go down here and select the operating system that we want. In our case, Microsoft Windows. So here's the weird thing. Here's two versions, right? One is only 15 megabytes. The other one is 273 megabytes. And you may be tempted to download this smaller version, but don't do it. What this is the small version here. It just downloads a small little package. And then you run that package, and then that package downloads the rest, right? But it's a little buggy. I've found it not work very well. It'll start to download things, and then the download will stop, and it'll freeze, and it won't start back up again, and there's no restart button. It's just a hassle. In my opinion, just download the full version, 273.4 megabytes. Get it all downloaded at once, and then you can install it, and it works just much easier. So go ahead and click the download button for this thing. And it asks you to sign up for an account. You do not have to do that. I don't recommend you do that. There's no reason to. Just go down here to the bottom and click this no thanks, just start my download link. Do that. Now you see I've already installed it on my computer, so I don't have to do it again, but you go ahead and do that. It's going to take a while. I'm going to go ahead and pause this because, like I said, I've already downloaded it. Cancel. But you go ahead and do that. And in the next video, I think we'll go ahead and actually install this thing.